Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Be captured by the aura and enjoy the spectacular view of the crystal blue waters of the Caribbean Sea from this beautiful 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home. Spanning over 5,000 square feet, built in 2018 and located in the upscale gated community of Plantation Village, Richmond, St. Anne. This home boasts an array of sleek finishes, which creates an ambience that blends comfort and grandeur. Your own private oasis with lush gardens and swimming pool awaits you at the rear of the property, perfect for outdoor relaxation and entertaining. It is exquisitely designed and well crafted with the finest materials and modern finishes, featuring an open floor plan with luxurious architectural details, a custom-built kitchen with ample counter space, and tray ceilings with recessed lighting. The primary suite is truly a luxurious retreat. This home is equipped with air-conditioned units, solar water heater, and more for optimal comfort. It sits on over 12,000 square feet of well-manicured grounds. The area benefits from nearby facilities, such as world-renowned Dunn's River Falls, Dolphin Cove, Chukka Caribbean, Drax Hall Polo Club, white sand beaches, and much more. This home oozes an allure that is sure to get your attention. Call today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,250,000, Jamaican 197.2 million, Canadian 1.78 million, Euro 1.14 million, or 971.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.